Okay, here we want to find the first and the second derivative of the function. Before we find the derivative of the function, let's go ahead and rewrite this with fractional exponents. So we can write the function to be g of r, which is going to equal r to the 1/2 plus r to the 1/7. Okay, so now let's go ahead and find the first derivative. So the first derivative of r, now remember that you're taking the derivative with respect to r of r to the 1/2 plus the derivative with respect to r of r to the 1/7. Okay, so remember that when you're taking the derivative, we're going to use the power rule. So this is going to be 1/2 to the r to the 1/2 minus 1, which is the same thing as 2/2. Plus, in this case here, the power rule, so we have 1/7 times r to the 1/7 minus 1, which is 7/7. So therefore, we end up with 1/2 r to the negative 1/2 plus 1/7 r to the negative 6/7. And so for this example, we can leave this as it is. So we can say that g prime, or the first derivative of this function, is the following. Okay, now let's find the second derivative. So to find the second derivative, we're going to use the first derivative that we just found. So g prime of r is equal to 1/2 r to the negative 1/2 plus 1/7 r to the negative 6/7. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to find the second derivative. So to find the second derivative, we're going to take 1/2, and then we're going to find the derivative with respect to r of r to the negative 1/2 plus 1/7 times the derivative with respect to r of r to the negative 6/7. Okay, so to find that second derivative, we're going to take 1/2, and then we're going to multiply that by negative 1/2, and then this becomes r to the negative 1/2 minus 1 is going to be minus 2/2, plus we have 1/7, and then to take the derivative with respect to r, for r to the negative 6/7, we're going to get negative 6/7 times r to the negative 6/7 minus 1, which is 7/7. So we get the second derivative. We know that 1/2 times negative 1/2 is going to give us negative 1/4. And this is going to be r to the negative 3/2. And then minus 1/7 times negative 6/7 is going to be negative 6/49. And then that's going to be r to the negative 6/7 minus 7/7, which is negative 13/7. And so therefore, this is going to represent the second derivative of that function.